Hello Secret community, my name's Chris. In this video, we'll be going over how to stake Secret. If you're not sure what staking is, make sure to check out our What is Staking video linked in the description. Before we start staking Secret, let's go over some key staking facts. Rewards are automatically distributed daily. There is a 0.01% slashing fee for downtime and 5% slashing for double signing. There's a 21-day unbonding period, and during this time, no rewards are accrued. A new delegation is also required for compounding rewards. In this video, we will assume you already have a Kepler wallet with some SCRT in it. However, if you're unfamiliar with the native self-custody Kepler wallet, you can find a step-by-step guide in our How to Stake Atom on the Cosmos with Kepler. This video will be linked in the description. Also, if you don't have any SCRT, the Osmosis DEX is a great place to get some. Now that we know what to expect, we can start staking Secret. Let's navigate to wallet.kepler.app to begin staking Secret. On the left-hand column, you'll see the account that you're connected to and our available balance of SCRT. On the right-hand side, we can claim our rewards if we have any, and we can see the validators we have delegated to right here. We can manage them here. If you don't have one, you can scroll down until you find the Figment validator. To the right, you can click Manage. Here's where you can manage your stake. We want to delegate, so we'll click on Delegate. Under here, we will put in how much we would like to delegate. You always want to make sure to leave a little bit of SCRT left over in your wallet for bonding and unbonding fees. Next, we'll click Delegate. This will pop up our Kepler wallet. Here we can set the gas fee and then sign for the transaction. If you get a warning like that, that means there wasn't enough gas to pay for the transaction. So we'll just click Delegate again. We'll keep it at average and we'll approve. Congratulations, you've just staked Secret. And now we can see that our amount has changed. Can refresh it. And there we go. Now our available balance has changed and so has our amount staked. In case you missed it, be sure to check out our other videos in the What Dat series. These videos include a breakdown of Web3, staking, ETH2, and custody. You can find links to these videos and more in the description below. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video valuable, make sure to share it with a friend. As always, if you have any questions about staking or how Figment simplifies blockchain for you or your organization, you can join Staking Hub with the link in the description. I look forward to seeing you there, and until next time, happy staking.